Hi, and welcome to my garden, my pollinator garden, and we're going to talk more about that a little later on after it bursts through the ground and attracts some pollinators. But for now, I want to talk about this. This is a hydrangeas, a hydrangea. And hydrangeas and pruning, big question. First of all, if you got a hydrangea like this, which is called hydrangea quickfire, similar to my limelight over there, they just need a nice little haircut, a bit of a trim. And I'm going to use hand pruners, and I'll just simply go in like so, at about the height I want, and off they come. Off with your head. That's basically it. In other words, bring them under control, prune them lightly or more heavily if they're too big, if they're too tall, if they're kind of rangy and you're not happy with their appearance, then you can prune them a little bit harder. So that's true for all the sort of so-called new hydrangea. I've got an incrediball over there as well. These new hydrangea that kind of bloom their heads off, they like to be treated that way this time of year. It's a springtime job. About the same time that I cut down all of my ornamental grasses. However, if you have some of the old-fashioned hydrangea like this, and it's got a long stem on it, then you're going to want to prune them almost to the ground. In other words, you're going to prune them right down to, I don't know, 6 inches, maybe 12, 15 centimeters, but right down, and just leave a couple of buds. Otherwise, what happens is, oh yeah, they'll grow and they might even bloom for you, but they get floppy and you'll have to hold them up, and they won't look so good. They get kind of rangy. So the old-fashioned Annabelle hydrangea cut severely back, and the new ones like these, this quickfire, or if you like any of the others, proven winners, most of them, just give them a nice gentle haircut with a good quality pair of hand pruners like this. Do it this time of year. You're looking for something to do in the garden anyway, right? It's called productivity. You're going to have a great looking garden this summer. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.